Welcome, everyone. I'm using Google Pixel 5 and today I'll show you how to enable the TalkBack option. And to get started, you will want to navigate into the settings. From here, scroll down to accessibility, and in here we'll find TalkBack. Once you select use TalkBack,
TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback.
now mute it.
Ring.
There we go, just so I don't have to hear it for now. So as you can see right now it's enabled, and there's a couple of ways to navigate through this menu. So number one would be to, for instance, tap on something, for instance like the back button. It will get selected, as you can see. It will also tell you what it's selected, and then you can double tap it to accept it, which will go back. Now additionally, if you want to, for instance, disable it or just quickly navigate through your phone, you can use two fingers. As you can see, it will work normally, because by default it does not. So there we go. And that also allows you to navigate using the gestures and stuff like that. Now you do always have to use two fingers if you want to scroll through something, and if you want to select something, you simply click on it and then double tap on it to open it up. And now I'm gonna quickly go back and disable the option. So again, accessibility, and TalkBack. And there we go. It's now disabled, and you can use just one finger to navigate through everything like you used to. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.